Toxic Crusader.
It's Dr. Killumoff, the evil alien who wants to pollute the whole world. He's gonna smogify every tree in Traumaville. But look who's gonna stop him. It's Toxie, the trendy yet hideously deformed leader of the Toxic Crusaders. How does he do it? He's toxic but tasteful. This grime fighter really comes up with the works with his ever-faithful mop. They're gross, but they're gonna clean up the world.
Toxic Crusaders.
Hideously deformed action figures and toxic waste, each sold separately from Playmates.